In today's video, I'll be comparing my new GoPro Hero 11 to my old GoPro Hero 8. We've been using this old Hero 8 for about 2 to 3 years now, and as you can tell, it was time we needed a new camera. Look at all of the damage I have done to this thing over the years. We have run this GoPro Hero 8 through the ringer, and it was time we needed a new camera. I am not a camera or technology expert, so this video might not be the most technical video out there. For us, we just really wanted to test the battery life, the stability, and the overall quality of shooting raw videos on the new Hero 11 versus the old Hero 8. We are in no way sponsored or anything by GoPro. I just wanted to make this video for my own sake to see the difference of quality between the two cameras. If you do like this video, however, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Traveling Tacos, for more videos on this new GoPro Hero 11, and follow me on social media at The Traveling Tacos. And of course, you can always see more on my blog, thetravelingtacos.com. One last note, I apologize for the poor audio quality throughout the video. We took the cameras out to Rocky Mountain National Park to test them in the field, and it might not have been the best idea because there was over 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts. It wasn't just the wind that also affected the videos. Because it was so cold, there was multiple times I did not want to take my gloves off to change the different specs on the camera. So this might not have been the best place, but we really did put our GoPro to the test, putting it to the limits and trying it out in the freezing cold. I hope you enjoy. Hey everyone, this is the Traveling Tacos. Today I'm testing out my new GoPro Hero 11. I'm in Rocky Mountain National Park, attempting a hike for the second time, but today I'm going to be comparing the footage from my Hero 11 to my old Hero 8. I'm going to have both of them on my backpack. I'm super excited to see how much smoother and the better quality the Hero 11 is than the 8. So I am super excited today to be testing it out. I'm going to do a lot of side-by-side videos, seeing which one's better. At first glance, I really liked the color of the GoPro Hero 8 a little bit more than the new GoPro Hero 11. It just seemed brighter and more colorful. But as the video goes on, I can see that the Hero 11 has a better low light profile to help contrast it better against the bright sun. I also think that my Hero 8 might have been on some sort of vivid color setting, so this might be something that I'm able to adjust and change in my GoPro Hero 11. I just haven't really looked into anything like that quite yet. Next, you can really see a difference of the video stability as we're hiking. We do a lot of filming out in the field as we're hiking, skiing, and just doing all sorts of activities. You can really see that the Hero 11 has a much stabler shot, especially as the hike continues and we start slipping on the snow and the ice. It's actually really crazy looking back on it because we used to use a GoPro Hero 5, which had no stabilizer in it, and we thought the Hero 8 was incredible, but not anymore. Already I can tell how much more I like the Hero 11 because I can see the front screen, so I can see exactly what John is shooting of me, making sure all the pictures look perfect. This is awesome. The real test on these GoPros today is going to be to see which battery lasts longer. The Hero 8 batteries used to die all the time when we'd go skiing. When I took the Hero 11 out the other day, it lasted me at least an hour and a half skiing with no problem. It's got these awesome enduro batteries, so I'm really excited to see the comparison on how long each will last. So we're gonna see which GoPro's batteries last longer. The enduro battery in the GoPro Hero 11 or the regular batteries in the Hero 8. Here is a spot in the video I noticed a huge difference in sharpness. Now I will say some of this could be because we keep our GoPro Hero 8 in this protective case to keep the back screen from any further damage, but look at how much sharper the mountains are in this next scene. The Hero 11 clearly outdoes the Hero 8 with the focus on the mountains in the background. I thought the mountains in the last shot really showed a difference, but wait until I pan to the rock in the next shot. The Hero 11 is so much sharper. I think this has to do with the way the Hero 11 can adjust to the harsh lighting with the sun directly in the background. It is really remarkable the quality difference when I see it up this close. Okay, for note, the GoPro Hero 8 is only down to 37% battery. We haven't even been recording the whole time, and this one's still at 80. Huge difference in the battery quality. We're almost to the lock. We're almost to the lock. Alright, battery check. GoPro Hero 8 at about 50%. And this one's still fully charged. Big difference with the Enduro battery.
Talk about how it was 30.
I don't know if it actually was. I think what I was reading was where it says 1 hour. Oh, wait. It just shut off.
Really?
Okay. As I said that, the battery literally said 50% on the GoPro Hero 8 and just shut off.
Earlier you said around 30.
Earlier I think it was at 30%. Then when I just turned it back on, yep, now it's dead. It's even in one of the, what do you call it, the case. The
waterproof case, ion case.
The protection cases. This battery's still at 100% though. I wish I had kept better track of exactly how long we had been hiking before the battery died in the GoPro Hero 8. But the Hero 8 pooped out literally right before we made it to our first destination. So in the cold, without it running the entire time, it lasted about 2, maybe 2.5 hours. So GoPro had told me with the old Hero 8 to leave it on even if it's not recording, to keep the motor running to warm up the batteries, even inside of the protection case. We didn't do that this time because I wanted to see how the instant start worked on both of them, and it's clearly working a lot better on the Hero 8 or on the Hero 11 because the Hero 8 won't even turn back on anymore. Alright, but we're almost to the lock. Looks like after all that cold up at the top, the battery's still at over 50%, it appears like. It's pretty awesome. Did way better than the GoPro Hero 8 that died at the time we made it to the lake. Woohoo! Here we go, on the way down now. It's all downhill from here. Ooh, its battery's officially turned yellow.
Mm-hmm.
We finished our hike, and unfortunately the GoPro Hero 11 eventually did die. We were only about a half mile from our car, so it lasted a solid 4.5, almost 5 hours in the cold. The GoPro Hero 8 died about halfway through the hike, like literally right before we got to the pinnacle point at the lock in Rocky Mountain National Park. So the Hero 11 100% outperformed the GoPro Hero 8. I will say with the Hero 8, neither one of the cameras did we leave running the entire time, but GoPro has told me with the Hero 8, if you leave it on to keep the motor warming up the battery, it'll last a little bit longer. We didn't do that. We wanted to see how well it was going to do in the cold. We still had it in its protective case, and it died really fast. Kind of crazy when you compared the two, but the endurance battery in the Hero 11 is much, much better. Now, at this point, I'm just excited to look at all the footage and compare all the shots. After looking at all of the footage, the Hero 11 clearly outdid the Hero 8. Overall, with the Enduro battery, it lasted hours longer. The stability is so much better, and the video quality is just truly remarkable. It's also really awesome to have the hyper view mode so that when I want to share videos to social media, none of the quality is lost zooming in from that hyper view. It's really been fun playing around with this Hero 11, and I cannot wait to continue shooting with this. So like I said earlier, please follow my channel, The Traveling Tacos, to see more videos with this GoPro Hero 11.